In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jobber to website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the Jobber plugin inside WordPress and get to the place where you can review its details and prepare for the next steps in your integration. First, let's set the stage. Jobber is a popular tool for managing field service work, and connecting it to your website helps streamline things like inquiries and client communication. We'll start inside your WordPress dashboard. Make sure you're signed in with an account that can manage plugins. If you don't see a plugins option in your left-hand menu, you may be on a plan or site configuration that doesn't allow plugins. In that case, check your plan or speak with your site administrator before proceeding. From the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and open the plugins area. This is your central hub for discovering and managing functionality on your site. It's also where you'll search for the official Jobber option. Taking a moment here to confirm you're on the correct site is a good idea if you manage multiple websites. You don't want to make changes in the wrong place. Once you're on the plugins page, use the search bar in the top right area to find what you need. Type Jobber into the search field and give it a second to load results. If nothing appears, double-check your spelling, ensure you're viewing the plugin directory rather than your installed list, and confirm you have a stable internet connection. When results show up, you should see options related to Jobber. Look for the listing that clearly references connecting Jobber to your website. You can also glance at the last updated date and the tested up to information to ensure it's compatible with your version of WordPress. This quick review helps you avoid outdated or unrelated tools. Next, click on Jobber in the results to open its details page. This page is where you can read the full description, scan screenshots, and review documentation to understand exactly what the plugin will enable on your site. Take a moment to look at the features list and any notes about requirements or supported themes. If there's a changelog or support tab, it's worth checking for recent activity and common questions. This helps set expectations and reduces surprises later. That's it for now. You've navigated to the WordPress plugins area, searched for Jobber, and opened the Jobber listing. From here, you're in the perfect spot to evaluate the plugin details and proceed with your preferred setup path when you're ready.